This screencast tutorial will focus on some of the options that you'll find in your Google Doc. So Google Docs you'll find are very similar to the offerings on Microsoft Word. You file, edit, view, insert, format, insert's kind of new. And then you have the print button. You have the different fonts that you can use, sizes, how you want the text to be justified, numbered list. So there's a lot of similarities inserting a link. Okay, so if you want to insert a picture, for example, you would go to Insert, Image, and you have different options. You can upload a picture from your computer. Let me try this one. There's a nice picture. I can change the size. I can change the text wrapping. Inline, wrap text, break text. So that means like where will the text be around the picture or through the picture. I can crop the picture. That's nice. Let's say I want to insert an image, but I want to do a search for it. So I'm going to search for apples. There's one. And there's my apple picture. Great. I'm going to type under here, apples are my favorite fruit. I'm going to highlight it. I want to make the text a little bigger. So I'm going to hit 18. That's pretty much that. I can also insert a drawing, an equation, a link, a table. This is my favorite. The table is so easy to do. So if I want 2 or 3 rows across, how many different lines, X, Y axis, all that stuff. I can do it just like that. It's very simple. And you can also get add-ons. So Google Chrome offers new add-ons all the time. So I'm going to hit get add-ons, and I want to do a table of contents. I'm going to hit free, add it to my web browser for Google, and here's my table of contents. I was just checking out this program a few minutes ago, and I think it's really cool because you can basically make a book in a Google Doc using a table of contents. So just clicking on a table of contents heading in the sidebar will move your cursor to that section of the document. After selecting a format in the list, click on the refresh button will number automatically your document's headings. That's pretty cool. That's pretty impressive. So there's many different options. You could spend forever going through all this. There's a help menu as well. For sharing, we've been over this before. If you're not going to share it on the school server, you would hit, let's see, more after you do. Anyone with the link can view. You can also download as a Microsoft Word document, a PDF. That's sometimes really great if you don't want people to change it, but you want to be able to email it out. Email collaborators, email as an attachment, and print straight from here. Page setup. You change it to a landscape instead of a portrait. Change the page color, margins, all that stuff. So Google Docs is pretty great. It's very similar to Microsoft Word. It doesn't offer everything that it does, but it's pretty user-friendly, which is especially good for elementary students. Great. I hope you find this video helpful.